It's the oldest one in the bunch. What are you doing? What are you doing? Rescue!
Playtime City.
Today on this side of town, we're playing with our HESS truck vehicles. Hey Munch Munch, which one are you gonna show us first? This one? Oh, okay. Let's see. Ooh.
And there's 2 trucks.
Oh, what comes out?
This. Look. It has some speed boosters.
Does he race? Is he a pushback? What does he do?
He's a pushback.
Let's see how fast he goes. Whoa!
Look at this!
Whoa! Cool. What else comes in this bus?
Motorcycle.
A motorcycle.
Yeah.
He turns on too, but the batteries, the lights turn on, right? Okay, let's sit these guys here for right now. Okay, so we got these 2, and then here's the bus.
Yeah.
It just doesn't make any sounds. I thought it did. Nope. But it lights up pretty cool.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, so let's put these guys in here and see them light up. Let's put them back in the bus. So this was your 2018 HESS vehicle that your grandpa buys you. Grandpa has a big collection. We should go over to his house and look at his collection.
Yeah.
All right. Now what's the next vehicle you're gonna show us? Ooh, this is a nice one. It's got a race car on the back. Whoa! It makes noise. Let's see how this works.
This one has an extreme light.
Extreme light. Oh, look at that.
And the battery's making it brighten up light.
Yeah, cool. Does it race? Is it a pushback or?
Yeah, pushback.
Whoa! Oh, he wiped out. Oh, he crashed into his truck. Let's see the truck. It makes noises too, all right?
Yeah.
Let's see. Ooh. And which year is this guy? 2016. Oh, he went. That one doesn't make noise, it's just light. Oh, that's the... Alright, well, let's get the race car and we'll press the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next is your 2020 HESS truck. It's the rescue ambulance. Ooh, what comes inside? There's something inside it.
It's a mini one.
A mini rescue truck.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. That's nice.
Yeah.
Does he light up?
No, yeah. Yes,
Oh, cool. Let me see. Let your Playtime City friends see. Ooh, look.
Yeah, he has front eyeballs.
Eyeballs? I didn't see no eyeballs. All right, let's see how this truck. Does the truck make noise?
Yeah.
Whoa! Woo! I didn't want it to crash. Okay, so you got 4 buttons here. So let's press the first one. Okay. Let's see. Oh, the light, it lights up inside too. Okay, the second button. Okay, it's a different sound. The third button.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, they got different sounds.
And the last button is the backup sound.
It is?
Yeah. The backup sound.
And does this, is this a push car? Like what this, oh yeah, it's a pushback too. Whoa! Pretty cool. Let's get them back in the truck. Beep, boop, beep, boop. And you press this button to open?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you gotta turn his lights off. Gotta turn his lights off. We don't want the batteries to go down.
And the cab. The cab opens.
What opens?
The cab.
Oh, I didn't know that. Let me see.
So you can put other cars in.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Pretty cool. Oh, the race car.
It's a pushback.
Look at that. Oh, he turns on.
Yeah.
His lights. Oh, the batteries are going down because you played with them so much, but he lights up. Okay, here we go. You push it back. Under the couch again.
Yeah.
Ooh, the big rig. Let's see the big rig. Look at that.
He light up.
Let me see.
It's brighter.
There you go.
Yeah, look at the side.
Oh, yeah.
It's brighter.
Yes, cool. All right, let's see him roll. I bet you Munch Munch, you're gonna close your legs. There you go. See, where you closing your legs? Where are you closing your legs? Why are you closing your legs? Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm really gonna do it this time. Ah! No, come on, let him go. There you go. Ah, he made it! He made it through your leg. Next vehicle. It's a fire truck.
It lights up too.
It does. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Does it make noise? No, I don't think the little ones make noise. But it came with the small little fire truck.
Yeah.
With a ladder. Let's see him on here.
Cool.
Okay, look at this one. It's another HESS Mini. But it comes with a Super Mini on top of it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ah! Well, I have a surprise for you. Ha 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 ha. Now I got two.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ah, that one went and the little one went.
Open, close, open, close.
And look, the ladder comes up. Fire! We need to get up there. Oh, your helicopter. You know that was your very first HESS vehicle. You was like maybe 6 months old. And it flies up in the air. Ooh, it lights up. Kind of damaged because it's the oldest one. It's the oldest one in a bunch. What are you doing? What are you doing? Ah, rescue! What's the next one? This one? Oh, this is like a tow truck.
It is cool with the small.
Oh, with the small one? Do they light up too? Oh, so you can hook on things.
Woo!
Let's see the lights.
Battery ran.
Oh, you don't have no batteries for that one. Oh, there it goes. Oh. This one is your 2019 truck.
Yeah.
Oh, this comes out, right?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And the hook changes in different.
Let's see what this is. Ah. Loud one.
Yeah.
And what's number 3? Button number 3. That's the backup sound. And 4. 4 is just the lights. Oh. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming for you. He's coming for you. He's coming. Oh, he got you again. You too slow. You too slow. Heading to the grandparents' house. We're going to see Grandpa's HESS Truck Collection. You want to come look and see? Let's look at some of them. Oh, which one do you like? Let's look at
This one.
Oh, let's look at it. We can't open it because these are Grandpa's collections. Toy truck and space shuttle. Oh yeah, it's a space shuttle with it. And I know you like space. I wonder what year this one is. Oh, it says 1999. Way before your time. This is pretty cool. You see any others you like? Let's see, what else? Oh, look, this comes with race cars.
Hopefully this.
Oh, this one you have already. Right, you had the helicopter. With this one, what year is this guy? Because I couldn't find out on your helicopter. Oh, it's a 1995. I didn't know that was that old. But you have the helicopter to this one. Okay, what else? Ooh.
Oh, this one looks like I think that's a bulldozer.
Ooh. Oh yeah, look at that. It's gonna plow the snow. That's a bulldozer. Ooh, it's a monster truck with motorcycles. Oh, that's pretty cool. What year is this one?
It's about, it's pretty big. So it's,
I know.
So it's about.
2007. Look at that.
Yeah, and it's for 5 years.
This is 50-year anniversary. This one's pretty cool too, right? Look at that. Ooh, it's got an airplane. Toy truck and jet. It lights up. All of these light up, as we showed, right?
Yeah.
What year does that say? 2010.
Yeah, and this is a jet.
Yeah, it's a jet right there. Yep, that's a jet. What else do they have? Oh, you have this, right? Is that the one you got this year? Pretty cool. You got this for your birthday. Your birthday one, the 2020 mini collection.
Yeah.
Oh, this is pretty cool too. Sit here. I like that kind of airplane that they have. What year is this one? 2002.
This one.
So which one's your favorite out of Grandpa's collection? You like the jet one? Yeah, these are pretty cool collections. We can't open them because Grandpa is preserving them. All right, well, those were all your HESS vehicles. Say bye to your Playtime City friends. Bye!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.